Managing an estate cleanout can feel overwhelming. Whether you're handling a loved one's property, preparing a home for sale, or downsizing after many years, the process often involves sorting, lifting, organizing, and disposing of a large volume of items. What many people underestimate is the amount of time required to complete the task properly. For residents in Austin, professional estate cleanout services offer a practical solution that saves time while reducing stress. The reality of time-consuming sorting an estate cleanout involves more than simply removing unwanted items. Each room may contain furniture, clothing, paperwork, decor, appliances, and personal belongings that require careful sorting. Austin residents often discover that what seems like a weekend project can quickly stretch into weeks. Professional cleanout teams streamline this process by working efficiently and systematically, dramatically reducing the overall timeline. Efficient removal of large and heavy items, large furniture pieces, bulky appliances, and heavy boxes can slow progress significantly. Professional estate cleanout services in Austin are equipped with the tools and manpower needed to safely remove heavy items without delay. Instead of spending hours figuring out how to move large objects, homeowners can rely on experienced crews to handle the lifting quickly and safely. Organized, structured workflow without a clear plan, estate cleanouts can become disorganized and frustrating. Professional teams serving Austin follow a structured approach. They sort items, clear rooms in logical order, and ensure nothing is overlooked. This organized workflow saves valuable time and prevents repeated effort. Faster preparation for property sale. Many estate cleanouts are tied to preparing a property for listing or transfer. In Austin's active real estate market, timing matters. A professional cleanout helps homeowners prepare the property more quickly, allowing listing and staging to move forward without unnecessary delays. Reducing decision fatigue. Sorting through years of belongings can be emotionally and mentally exhausting. Austin residents handling estate matters often face difficult decisions about what to keep, donate, or discard. Professional cleanout services simplify logistics so homeowners can focus on decisions rather than physical labor. Minimizing disruption to daily life. Estate cleanouts can interrupt normal routines, especially for families balancing work and personal responsibilities. By hiring professionals in Austin, homeowners avoid spending evenings and weekends clearing out rooms. The process moves forward efficiently while daily life continues uninterrupted. Safe and responsible disposal. Disposing of items properly requires time and effort, from transporting materials to arranging appropriate removal. Professional estate cleanout services in Austin handle these logistics. This eliminates the need for multiple trips or complicated coordination, saving homeowners additional time. Managing multi-room or large properties. The larger the property, the more time-intensive the cleanout. Austin residents dealing with multi-room homes or extensive storage areas benefit from professional crews who can tackle large-scale projects efficiently. What might take weeks individually can often be completed in a fraction of the time. Providing clear, timely results. Professional cleanout teams work with defined timelines and clear objectives. Austin homeowners gain the reassurance of knowing when the job will be completed. This predictability makes it easier to plan next steps, whether moving, renovating, or transferring ownership. A time-saving solution during major transitions. Estate cleanouts often occur during significant life changes. For residents in Austin, professional services provide a way to manage these transitions more smoothly. By handling sorting, removal, and disposal efficiently, professional estate cleanouts save valuable time and reduce the burden on families. Instead of spending weeks navigating logistics, homeowners can move forward confidently, knowing the process is being handled with care, organization, and speed.